Hello guys, welcome to a wet and rainy day in Hammond, Louisiana. Today I'm catching the southbound. Looks like they're still doing maintenance away with some ballast hoppers. But yeah. Sorry for my long hiatus from YouTube. Just been busy doing other things, finding other interests. Like, well, gaming. Other things too, like, I don't know. I don't have any trips that I'm gonna do soon, sadly. But if I do, I'll remind you, like this summer, hopefully. Like, cause you know how last summer I went to, this year's not gonna be as eventful as the last. Cause, like, last year I went to New York, and then the year before that, in December, I went to Chicago. So, like, this year's probably not going to be as eventful, sadly. But, I don't know, if anything comes up this summer, then I'll tell you, because that's probably when it's going to be, if there is anything. Yeah, it's desolate, and it's rainy. Can't see it in the distance yet, so I'm going to go wait in the car because I don't want to get so wet because it's like sprinkling. Okay, so I can see the headlight in the distance. I think this is a good spot to catch it at. Just mainly because I'm right next to this pole. I don't know. I like the angle. Here we have the old milepost for a better reference. I remember when I used to set my old thing on there, like on top of it as like a tripod almost. I can't believe I've been posting these videos for like 2 years. It's crazy. Wait, so this time last year, not two, well actually maybe, I don't know, almost 2 years. In a couple months it will be 2 years. Here, you can hear it. Alright, I'm gonna take a guess. I'm gonna say ALC 42. They have a lot more now. They're like up to like the 50s. ALC like in the ALC 42, it's like 350 I think. It's crazy that they've already produced that many. They're popping those things out like crazy. I've seen the videos of them like being transported out of Beech Grove in Indiana. I wonder if they're ever gonna make some kind of like wiper for the lens of the GoPro. Cause like the water actually kind of like for the back screen, like the screen I'm looking for through the camera, like looking through, it like gets really like droplets of water. And the front does too. It's almost like they need like some kind of wiper. And I was wrong. It's a P42. Nice welcome surprise. I've been standing out in the rain. I probably look crazy from the road. Just standing out in the rain. Yep, P42. The rain's actually picked up. You just forget it after a while. Number 59. Just like the train. Ooh, Winter Park. Yeah, it's funny that we have 59 on 59. Here we have the Winter Park wrap. It looks like it's peeling pretty bad. I think the season over there is almost over. Like the ski season. I don't know, I've never been skiing. But yeah. Then we have the dining car for axle count. Kind of sad that they still need that. I don't think it's even in use. Then we have 59 on 59. That's definitely gonna be in the title. That's title worthy. Looks like it's rusting pretty bad. But again, that's kind of welcome considering it's so old. There's the builder's looking down so you guys can get a better view. That's good. Or actually, I'm gonna back up more. Just so you can get a cool view. For watching. Sorry I haven't been posting much lately. But yeah, just thanks for watching. See you next video. Astro Birdie out. You can hear the water being like rolled over. Sounds pretty cool. Anyways, yeah, bye.